Get some hurricane footage.
Awesome.
Awesome. Dude, they haven't changed the stadium sign over here. It's still Louisiana Monroe.
Uh-oh.
That's on the scoreboard. But,
oh, and look, the stop sign. About 8 hours into the storm, they decided to put it up. After the lights have been off all
8
day.
hours in, dude, it's been 12 hours.
About a day.
Oh. We're going. We're going.
Get her done. Has this got the steady hand thing?
I believe so. I don't know, it's about 2 years old. Make sure you get, oh dude, if we want to get like one of the,
there we go.
We're here on Donahue. Big ass water puddle.
The siren sounded
over there.
But I was sleeping so soundly when that happened.
Football in
I
this.
didn't hear anything. Those of us from the Dothan area.
Dude, quit spitting on my phone.
The wind is very strong. See what I
Somebody get tackled into the water!
picking up some dumb-ass people have gone and played football after me.
Oh. Kick his ass!
That's a torn ACL.
Awesome!
There's a ball in his head.
Where's the ball at?
See it?
There it is.
Because it keeps the battery going. Like you get 180%.
Oh, come on, catch it!
I thought we were going to be able to stand right here. I didn't know they put enough parking inside. I'm definitely not going to.
That's probably what they meant. You know what I mean?
Huh?
That's probably what they meant.
Cheerleaders out on the field.
There's our cheerleader and her ass.
Trina. Die for it! We're doing this for posterity, Hunter. What? We're doing this for posterity.
Strike a pose. Oh!
No! No. Oh, that was that. There
I
goes
missed
the
it,
lid.
don't worry.
Thank God. There with the lid.
I think I missed it. I'm not quite sure. I didn't see it anyway. Okay, I didn't get it wet. Got a little moisture here.
That's hilarious.
And the pass is at my face.
There's a motley crew up there.
Look both ways! Oh, they're sitting there. Okay. They're just sitting there.
What?
They're just sitting there.
We're live here at Auburn University. We're live. The
And one.
Right. You see this debacle between two groups of people. We don't even know who's on teams, really.
Is that a girl?
Is that a girl?
That's a girl.
Oh, okay. And as you can see, they're not really intelligent. They're mostly just flopping around in the water like newborn babies, really. The wind and the leaves that you can see, the water puddles are from that hurricane thing coming through. It looks like these are going to be the conditions for Auburn versus LSU this weekend. The only thing that I can think of that, or if they do cancel the game, the only thing that I can think of is we'll be back on Saturday to show the sunshine and no wind that we could be playing in if they do cancel this.